Okay. So, guys, it snowed a lot. So we should put Vaseline on our lips.
Why?
Because it's cold out.
I put it on a couple minutes ago. Okay, this is how I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna have to take that out.
Why?
That's a dirty old sock.
Oh.
We have to buy new gloves. We weren't prepared for this snow. Here.
Yeah. That's why I have this bow.
Here's mine. Little mitten, I lost my kittens. I'm sweating up in this piece right now. Yes, I am.
Okay.
Oh, all right. So we're gonna do some shoveling, some playing. I have an idea. Let's go out. Why not?
Doesn't seem like it's sweating already. Hi.
Hi. Hi. We're gonna try right here.
Where?
Right here.
What?
Right here.
Down here?
Yup.
No one lives here?
Nope. Right here. Go right there. Try it. You gotta make a path first.
Oh wait, I shouldn't be stepping in it.
Oh, it is nice out. No, it's not making no path, silly. You gotta sit on it. Okay, now get up, walk on this side, and do it again.
I don't think you need to push me.
No?
I don't think so. Not now, because you're gonna push me.
Run and go on your stomach.
What? No.
Why?
I want to go like this.
Alright, I'll push you. I'll push you. Ready? Ready? And...
Oh.
Go, go, go! Now scoot yourself down. Scoot, scoot. Scoot. Keep going. Keep going so you can keep going. Oh! Come on, do it again. Go. You gotta stay on it though. There you go. There you go. Now do it again. Keep going. You better stop yourself. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going! Let me try. I'll make it really good. I'll make it deep.
Don't!
It'll be nice and deep.
And hopefully fast.
Woo! Hi! Told you! Just keep going down. Huh? So, this was my plan, and it worked. Freaking excited about it. We found a place! Mr. Laylo's here.
Hey, there's no change. I dropped it. Oh, Lord have mercy. Guys, I was trying to make a snowman. We got a huge ball or do something, but no. I can't see anything. Make sure you stop yourself. How? What did you even do?
Nothing.
I swear we said that already. Careful.
I wish we had some hot chocolate. No, I bought some. I don't understand where it went. You went down the wrong path. So, funny thing is it's not really cold out. Right? You want this glove or no? I wish I had somewhere to put this. What are you doing, child? That is not, is that how you broke it?
No.
Oh. You're gonna fall. Oh my God, your butt is all dirty. my snowball. No, I got camera. Ah! He got me. And I wasn't even paying attention. Oh my God.
Snowball! I'm gonna do this at Claudia's house.
You
I don't know
can't.
how.
There's no hill.
I'm gonna do it.
Ooh. You find it or no?